Hey, I'm Josh from Meadowsmith Farm. This week's recipe from my weekly veggie box is going to be for a vegetable Tian. Now, Tian basically means thinly sliced vegetables cooked in olive oil in a sort of au gratin style. Really, really simple to make and so delicious. Check it out. Alright, so this is a really fun dish to make. I like to take my time with it. I'm cutting up some carrot, some radish, some potato, and some beef. The only thing I'm really worrying about is just trying to get nice even cuts on the thin side. But I'm not stressing about it too much. They cook up pretty evenly. I'm not worrying about peeling them. I gave them a good scrub beforehand, so they're nice and clean. A lot of the nutrients are at the level of the skin, so I like to leave it on whenever possible. So I have a baking dish, little crock here, like it's an 8-inch. You could certainly do a bigger one, and then I oiled it with some olive oil, and then you can see I'm just stacking the veggies in. I'm going to pack them in pretty tight because they will shrink while they're cooking. I like to alternate the colors, make it look pretty. It's actually really fun to do. All of the veggies and carrots standing on end. Just kind of work them in there. I tilted the bowl up just to sort of hold it in place while I was doing it. Now I'm just finishing off by packing in some stragglers and just making sure it's packed. I mean, I'm not crushing it, but really trying to make sure fill any gaps. Then I'm going to pour some olive oil over the top. I'm going to add my spice packet. You can check out my website for the spices. And then some salt. Nice, I don't know, 2 teaspoons of salt or so. And then we're in slow-mo. Into the oven we go. And while that's cooking, take Nola outside. It's going to be in the oven for about 20 to 35 minutes. We're going to chew on some sticks in the snow. She prefers that to most of my cooking unless I'm cooking meat. Such a good dog. Now we're going to go back inside. Tian comes out of the oven, 400-degree oven. Then I'm going to top it off with some cheddar cheese. Parmesan works really well here too. Back into the oven for about another 20 minutes uncovered, and there you go. That is really good.